To the Moon Galaxy card using the Galaxy background technique. For the Galaxy background, add layers of ink to a piece of basic white cardstock. I started using Balmy Blue, then added Pacific Point. Next came Blackberry Bliss. Keep adding layers of color. The last color is Night of Navy, applied around the edges. Now it's time to cut the pieces for the Whirly card. Start with the wheel, then the frame, and then the opening, using the Give It a Whirl dies. Stamp the images from To the Moon stamp set onto the wheel. I use Night of Navy and Pacific Point inks. Then I added some white splatter marks using Whisper White craft ink mixed with water, and then just flicked from the end of a paintbrush. Then I added sparkle to the splatters using Wink of Stella. Now to assemble the twirling mechanism. First I punch a 1 3/8 inch circle and pierced a hole through the center. This will go on the back, topped up with dimensionals. Insert a brad through the hole in the front, then through the wheel, then through the circle. Open the feet of the brad, and now it will spin. I added Pacific Point ink using a blending brush to silver glimmer paper for my matting. Now for the greeting. I stamped it with Whisper White craft ink and then heat embossed it with white embossing powder. I cut it out using a rectangle die and also cut out some shimmer stars. Then I added a directional arrow and matted the piece to the Night of Navy card base. Done!